Latest Facebook contest ideas to try in 2020. Running contests, giveaways, and sweepstakes has been a staple of Facebook marketing since the platform was born, and it has never ceased to be a great, effective strategy. But because you need to innovate to stay ahead of the curve and relevant, it is important to try different contest ideas that keep your leads entertained. The following are the contest ideas that people like the most and that encourage the most participation, and we invite you to try them all. Like, comment, and share to win. Inviting users to engage with a post is the classic Facebook giveaway method, and it works wonderfully still to this day. The idea is to get people to interact with a Facebook post to earn entries in a contest. It is a win-win for the user and for you, because the user gets an opportunity to earn the prize for each interaction he completes, and it boosts the relevance of your post because of all the engagement you'll get. What you have to do is to simply announce your contest and to tell users that to participate they have to like, comment, and share on the contest post. To make it even more enticing, tell participants that each interaction is valid for an entry, which means that they earn an opportunity to win the prize per each interaction they complete. Caption or meme contest. Encouraging users to create the best possible caption for an image or to create a meme so they enter a contest is an amazing way not only of getting people to join the giveaway, but also an amazing way to build brand loyalty. This is because the effort required to participate in this type of contest forces the participant to invest their time and their energy thinking about your brand. This will, in turn, force them to stick to your brand in the future and to think of your brand when considering products and services in your niche. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks contests are becoming more and more popular by the day thanks to their simplicity and the feeling of childlike joy people experience when they participate. This is as simple as composing an incomplete sentence and challenging your followers to fill in the blanks. You can tell them that the most accurate sentence, the funniest sentence, or the craziest sentence wins. This type of content is highly entertaining, can be done quickly, and can be run more frequently because of their simplicity. Photo contest. Photo contests are great and they attract a lot of attention, but they tend to generate little participation because of the high entry barrier. Still, they're worth trying and will no doubt help you reach an exclusive segment of your audience that you wouldn't have reached otherwise. And although they don't generate a lot of participation, they do attract, like we said, a lot of attention, and you'll get a lot of new followers just because there will be people following the contest. To organize a photo contest, all you have to do is to ask users to take a picture about a topic, preferably related to your products or services. You can instruct users to submit their photos to your inbox so you can post them in a gallery or in your timeline, but a neat trick is to ask participants to upload the photo themselves and to tag you in the pictures. This is a clever way to indirectly promote your page to those participants' friends. Questions and answers contest. Questions and answers contests are also easy and quick to organize. You simply have to ask your fans a question that they have to respond to participate. Now, you can use some creativity here, and instead of asking for direct questions, ask them to give you incorrect answers or funny answers and tell them that you'll select the best one later on. This has the same effect as the caption contest in that users will be forced to put mental effort into a request from our brand. Best of all, users that don't win will be encouraged to participate in new Q&A contests as long as they are entertaining. User-generated content contest. User-generated content is a new type of contest that's all about asking your fans to produce branded content using their own means. This type of contest is really cool because it gives participants full freedom to create content that's about your brand, and you'll be stunned by how much engagement these contests generate. User-generated content contests also give fans an opportunity to showcase their skills, and that can motivate people to participate even more than the reward. The possibilities are many, and a few examples would include asking your fans to create a new logo for your brand, to draft a design overall for your website, to compose a new slogan, to create a t-shirt design for your in-store staff, and so on. To increase the buzz around your user-generated content contest, you are going to select up to 3 finalists, and then you are going to pick a prize winner among those 3, and will give a surprise reward to the other 2 finalists.